Didn't you see the news today? I heard they said it looked like rain. All the words I left unsaid that day stain the sidewalk drop by drop with gray. Oh, rain or shine, I'm by your side, so why would you look my way? The weather forecast calling for another